Number 16 says a random sample of NBA players was asked how many hours they trained, practiced during the off season each week, and below are their responses. Now these seem kind of far-fetched numbers. I don't think someone's going to train or practice 72 hours on their off season for a week, but you never know. In any case, what we have here is a list of numbers, and we're just trying to find the statistics. Now notice it did say it's a sample. It's not the whole population. So that's important for when we get to the standard deviation. But really, this is just making sure that we know how to use our calculator or whatever method you're using to find these values, because it's something that, as you've been noticing now, we are needing to find these values. And so let's take a look at the StatCrunch method for doing this. So on StatCrunch, I'll head over there. You'll notice that I've already typed in those values into a column, not into a row. We always do these calculations for that variable in columns. And all we need to do is remember where to go. And it was actually on your formula sheet as well. It told us to do stat, summary stats, columns. So that way we can find the statistics for our column. So we select the column, which I just didn't name it, so it's still called var1. And now we can put everything it's asking for. So you'll notice it kind of reminds us how to do these things. Shift click to get more than one, or control click. Shift click will always get everything in between. Control click will let you choose things one at a time. Now you could have just selected what's already there and probably everything will show up, but let's just actually look for the ones it's looking for. So I know it asked for the mean. I can find the median and the mode, so I'm holding control down before clicking. And then for the measures of spread, it's asking for standard deviation, IQR, and range. So I can do standard deviation. Now this is a sample standard deviation because it's a random sample, so I'll just do the regular one, not the unadjusted. Then we have the IQR, and let's use the range here. There it is. So there you go. We got all 6 of the statistics it's asking for. Just do compute, and we just copy these into our answers: 39, 38.5, and 32. Oops. Then our standard deviation is 20.22. IQR is 25.5 and range is 70. And there we go, just 1 point each.